What's up, guys? Jason here, The Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it's the 29th of August. It's the start of Labor Day weekend. I haven't talked to you guys in about 8 days, so I hope you guys are all doing well. We've been just very, very busy here. First things first. We sold the golf cart. The golf cart is gone. Actually, the dealership where I bought it in Goldsboro, Maryland, they actually purchased it back. They gave me a good price that we agreed on, and it's gone. So they said it was in great shape, and they wanted it back to be part of their used inventory. So that is gone. We are done with it. So everything that we wanted to get rid of we got rid of. The Ruckuses, the ATV, and the golf cart. So made some progress there. And over the weekend, Mike from 724 Coffee was here for a few days. But yeah, Mike was here. We had a blast. We went to a concert, did a lot of bike riding, and that's that. So it was a great time. He headed back, and we just went right back into work mode, and we're just busy every day. Yeah, so that's about it. Trying to think what else is going on. Tonight we're going to go ahead and bring Maggie's car in, and she's due for an oil change. So we got some Amsoil oil all ready to go, filter, and everything to go with that. So yeah, let's get back into these videos, and we'll get her car in here and we'll get the oil change. So here we go. All right, guys, Maggie's gonna back the car in. You're good, come on. Luna's fine, she's just watching. Good job, keep going. You can probably come back a little bit more, hold on, let me see. Keep coming, keep going. That's pretty good. There we go, we're going up. Getting tough. All right, keep going. Okay, that might do it. All right, let's check this.
It's cold.
Okay, just gotta set it down real gentle. All right, guys, so with my Amsoil discount, I bought this Amsoil bulk filter. Maggie's actually adding to it right now, so we can add our oil, and we can kind of see. We can make sure precise measurement. We need to get the 4.4 quarts. But what I kind of like about it is that, you know, you can just let your thing just sit here and drain your quart of oil. You can just post it there and let it drain, get all the oil out. That way you're not wasting any. So that's pretty cool. It's a new little addition we got. So right now Maggie is opening a special package that I bought. I forgot I had this, but I always have trouble with this oil pan here. When the oil comes out of the car, it ends up hitting these little grooves on here, and the oil just starts, look on this cardboard. Like, the oil just starts going everywhere. So I think you usually see this in like commercial grade oil change collection systems. It's like it's a special like coarse filter, I would say, that it reduces that splashback from the oil. So we're gonna let her grab this. She's really struggling with it. This is a struggle, but I think we need to cut it to size, I believe.
No, it's perfect.
That's a really big one. That's way too big. How many are there? Okay, there's a couple there. All right, so we'll have to cut it to size. So I think we can just cut this into 4 squares, I'm thinking. I think that'll be enough, actually. Let me just cut a square. So I don't need it to be perfect in there. I just need it to get the splash area. There we go. So now she's in there, and that'll catch the splash. All right, guys. I know the lighting is not good here, but we're gonna do our best to show the oil coming out of here. So I already got the bolt broken. All right, there we go. Oh, that's perfect. So there's no splash coming out of there. I know it's hard to tell, but going right in the catch pan. No splash. So yeah, that was a good purchase. Yeah, guys, so that special mat I got, that worked out really well. So I'll leave a link below if you want to buy one for your oil changes. I highly recommend that because no splashing using those mats. So love that. All right, guys, so we're going to try the bulk filler from Amsoil. Me and Maggie, we filled it up to 4.4 quarts, and we're going to give this a try. So it has a flexible hose. Hope you guys can see. Oh, man, missed some. I missed a little bit. That went pretty smooth. All right, guys, the bulk oil thing worked out good. It just it came out really fast. I spilled a little bit, and it's actually dripping out the bottom, but just a little bit spilled. But if you get the bulk filler, just take note of that. It came out pretty quick. But yeah, we're done here. We got the filter changed, and oil's changed. We're good to go with the brand new Amsoil. You guys know I'm an Amsoil independent dealer, so I'll leave a link below to my store if you're interested in switching to Amsoil, or maybe you're a fan of Amsoil, or maybe you already use it, maybe you want to buy from me, that'd be great. But just let me know any questions or just sign up. I'm here to help you. So I'll leave a link below to the oil mat, and the last thing I'm going to do is just going to rotate the tires really quick, and then we'll be done. So I think that's it for tonight. This was just a quick one to get back in the swing of things of making videos for you guys. So I think that's it. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.